becoming a funding consultant at Startup Lanes. Finding eligible startups and shortlisting decks takes up 80% of the productive time of your investment bankers. Therefore, we outsource the work to the funding consultant. A funding consultant, FC, is authorized by Startup Lanes for finding the shortlisting startups that can raise funds through us. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am More Tanvi and I would really appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to our channel below. As you have made out, today's video is about funding consultant. Who is a funding consultant? Funding consultant is an independent consultant at Startup Lanes who has the necessary understanding and skills to find out eligible startups and connect the founders with our investment banking team. Now, who can become a funding consultant? Any person who matches the criteria below can become a funding consultant at Startup Lanes. A graduate, postgraduate from government recognized university, fluent in writing and spoken English, understanding of innovations, inventions and disruptions, understanding of financials, connected with founders and has a good level of credibility and trust. Passionate about startups is the most important thing, of course. Now the next question is, what is the compensation of funding consultant? A funding consultant shall be paid one-time success fee on successful funding of startups referred by him or her. This success fee shall be percentage of the success fee that we received from the client and is referred by the FC. It is important to note that we shall pay the profit sharing of FC after successful receiving our success fee from the client referred by the FC. Now the question is, how to become a funding consultant? We need to ensure that the FC, that is funding consultant, is capable of connecting with the startups and shortlisting the pitch decks appropriately as per our guidelines. Therefore, a funding consultant should apply as prescribed in the next answer. Upon successful evaluation, we will select the FC and communicate. How to apply for a funding consultant? A funding consultant should provide the following things. First is LinkedIn profile. Then it is 10 shortlisted pitch decks from India-based startup. Then founders must be well informed that the pitch decks shall be shared with the investment banking team of Startup Lanes. Then connected with our community managers after sending the above details. Now the next question which arises is, what are the expectations of Startup Lanes from a funding consultant? We expect the following things from the funding consultant. Source the eligible pitch deck from his or her own network. Should communicate the terms and conditions to founder, should not get into raising funds himself or herself, should be able to explain to the founders about the requirements and should not make any commitments or guarantee on behalf of Startup Lanes. Now, what are the guidelines of shortlisting the pitch decks? A funding consultant must ensure that the following criteria are met in a startup that is being referred to the IB team of Startup Lanes. A private limited company that is registered in India, a current account in India based branch of any bank. Average revenue should be Rs 2 lakhs per month in the last 6 months. This could be relaxed to 50,000 also, in case the subject to approval by our team. A working and disruptive product and services, a website and app of both the startups, a list of 3 members in a team, a working and disruptive product or service, a work website, app or both of startup, at least 3 members in a team, a registered office in India, a valid and formatted pitch deck, revenue till date and projections of 3 to 5 years. Now the next question is, what are the roles and responsibilities of a funding consultant, that is FC? A funding consultant has the following roles and regulations to be followed. Plays the role of representative without any claim and guarantees to the founder. An FC should be able to connect with founders on a personal level. An FC should meet the founders on behalf of us. An FC should communicate with the community managers on a regular basis. Now the next question is, what are the benefits of becoming a funding consultant? Startup Lanes will provide the necessary guidelines and support to funding consultants as they become part of our team. An FC can mention in their LinkedIn title as funding consultant and select startuplanes.com. This will let them enjoy the credibility of Startup Lanes. Profit sharing from our sources fee without doing any fundraising activity. consultant updates and invites to our events, and opportunity to work with us in future as a part of our banking team. Now the last question for the video is how to connect or contact Startuplanes for funding consultants application. You don't have to do anything, you just have to click the link in the description box and you can write, yes, I have to become a funding consultant. If you have liked this video, do like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. And for more details, please visit our website called startuplanes.com. Thank you.